What is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Mayur Pawar and you're watching The Bearded Geek. Well, for the ones who are visiting this channel for the first time and watching this video for the first time, if you have not subscribed to the channel, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. This channel is all about how can you increase your digital productivity with the tools and websites that I share on this channel. Most of them are free, so make sure you do go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Well, coming to the topic that we are going to talk about today, it's a digital board that you're going to carry in your pocket every time in the form of your mobile phone. Well, the website I'm talking about is whiteboard.com. Only it's not WHITE, it's rather WITE.com. Now, I recently came across this particular tool and I found it really handy and a very good way. This tool is basically for the designers, the art people, the creative people rather, who have a habit of drawing a blueprint or a structure whenever they want to create, like let's say for example a social media post, or let's say a website design layout. There are a lot of designers, especially I come from a marketing background, and there are so many designers that I have seen that they have a habit, just a habit, and it's a good habit to structure out before you create anything. They would go ahead and structure it out on a paper and with a pen. So this is that tool. Whiteboard is that tool that you are gonna have it every time in your pocket. You don't need to have a pen and a paper, a physical pen and paper. Uh, the website URL is whiteboard.com. Again, I'm saying it is not with WHITE, it's WITE.com. Whiteboard, WITEBOARD.com, whiteboard.com. So I'm gonna quickly show you a run through how can you go ahead and create a note, structure, and share it with your colleagues. Yes, the best part is you don't have to sign up to this particular website, and you can share that structure which you have created with your colleagues through a link on maybe a WhatsApp or an email, or however you find it like relevant, but you can go ahead and do that. So let's have a quick look what exactly does this tool offer. And if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, guys, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. If you're watching this video on my Instagram account, make sure that you DM me about any queries you have. And if you're watching this particular video on my Quora account, make sure that you upvote this answer if you find this answer helpful. And without any delay, let's get started.
So here we are on the mobile screen. The first thing you need to search is whiteboard.com. That is WITEBOARD.com. It's a free tool, guys, so anyone can use it and you can share it with as many colleagues as you want. The first thing you land up, this is what the UI is gonna look like. Let's say you want to start, like for example, it's a social media post blueprint that you want to share. You can just draw the layout, or you can just like do a undo factor here. This is, for example, your layout, and you want to just tell the other designer that this is where the title goes. This is the platform for image, and here your logo can come, etc. Now, this is, for instance, it's a very bad creative, I know, but this is, for example, if you have created this particular structure, you can go ahead and share it here. The board has been copied, and you can just share this particular link. You just have to go on WhatsApp and share it. But before that, there is again a line option that you can draw so that your lines come accurately. There is text option. You can just type whatever you want to type and click just add it to that board. You can also go ahead and erase. It's just basically like a note, but for the ones who don't have the Samsung Note in their pocket, this is just a handy tool to share your thought with the fellow designers or co-workers you want. And another factor it gives you is basically you can just write your name. Like for example, I write it over here, Mayur, and as you see, the icon has changed. Now, the moment I go ahead and try to share this, let me just show you how does it look. So I'm gonna copy this. This link has been copied, and I'm gonna go on my WhatsApp and show it to you. You just need to paste this link and it will go to the particular user. Now, let's say for instance, if you clicked on this link, this is my structure, and as you can see, there is another icon which is being added over here. Now, in order to be the same person, you can go ahead and sign up, but honestly, there is no sign up required over here. You can just go ahead and share it with as many people as you want. And yeah, that's about it, guys. Another thing I wanted to tell you is, yeah, it gives some other additional options, like you can change the blackboard to whiteboard. There is shape detection option over here. There's a new board you can create. There is history you can view. And for the basically for history, you need to sign in or sign up. And you can also go ahead and save it as an image, and you can go ahead and share it with the colleagues you want. So it's pretty handy as a tool, and I thought it would be really helpful for you guys. So this was my hack about a digital whiteboard you can always have in your pocket. It's much better than the Microsoft one, I feel, because in order to do that, there is a lot of integration and stuff like that you have to follow. So this is like a quick tool, and that was about it from my end.
So that was my video about how can you carry a digital tool in your pocket every time you want to chalk out or draw a particular layout and share it with your colleagues. If you found this video informative and helpful, please go ahead and hit the like button for the video. If you feel that it would be helpful for someone else, like the creative or art people that you know, make sure that you share this particular video with them. If you're watching this video on Instagram, go ahead and DM your queries to me. And if you're watching this on my Quora account, make sure that you upvote this particular answer if you found it helpful. Apart from that, you can check out my blog. I write a blog on a weekly basis, so make sure you do that. And just a quick hack for the people who are looking out for, generating a side income or a side hustle, you can actually start selling the images that you capture from your mobile phone and sell it on the stock photography website. You can go ahead and check out the links. I have shared the links in the description below. That was it about from my end for today. I will be back with another hack for you guys. Till then, keep watching my channel and keep geeking.